In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView charts with your Upstox account. If you're looking to harness the advanced charting capabilities of TradingView while trading within Upstox, this video will walk you through the simple steps needed to switch from ChartIQ to TradingView charts on the Upstox Pro platform. Let's start by logging in to your Upstox account. Head over to the Upstox website and use your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the platform's dashboard, where all your trading activities can be managed. Before we proceed, make sure you're familiar with the basic layout of the Upstox interface, as it will make navigation a lot easier. Next, you'll want to locate the Charts section. This is where all the analytical magic happens. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a space filled with graphs and data, which may look familiar to those accustomed to utilizing charting tools for market analysis. This section is pivotal for tracking market trends and making informed trading decisions. Now let's get to the exciting part, switching to the TradingView charts. In the charting interface, keep an eye out for an icon on the extreme right that resembles a chart. This is the key to toggling between different charting systems. Clicking on this icon will switch your chart display from the default ChartIQ to TradingView. You'll notice a different look and feel once the change is made, indicating that you're now operating with TradingView's advanced charting interface. It's important to note that what we're doing here isn't a traditional linking of accounts like connecting your Upstox brokerage account to an external TradingView account. Instead, we're simply activating the TradingView charting system that is already integrated into Upstox. This process enables you to enjoy TradingView's features directly within Upstox, eliminating the need for a separate account or additional connections. With this activation, you now have access to a suite of TradingView's features, which are well regarded for their depth and versatility. These include improved layouts, additional indicators, and advanced visualization tools that can enrich your charting and analysis experience. TradingView's interface is intuitive, yet it provides powerful tools for both novice and experienced traders to conduct thorough market analyses. In conclusion, switching to TradingView charts within Upstox is a straightforward process that opens up a world of detailed analysis and enhanced trading capabilities. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly transition to using TradingView charts for your trading needs without leaving the Upstox platform. Enjoy your enhanced trading experience and happy analyzing.